Hey guys, what's happening? How to share YouTube link to Instagram story. So go back to your screen and go ahead to your YouTube, right? And select your video that you want to share on YouTube. So I'm gonna take this video, for example, click the three dots next to the video and hit share, and then hit copy the link. So go to your Facebook now, right? And what you're gonna do, just go ahead and hit the plus button at the top right and hit story, and you're gonna select the photo that you want to add. Let's say this one. Let me cancel the music, and then hit the stickers at the top right, add link, and then add the custom sticker text. Let's have an example, hi YouTube, and then add. If you want to test the link, you could just go ahead and share it across social media. Let me turn off this story only, right? And hit share right here. Now I'm sharing this this YouTube link on my Facebook story. If you want to test it out, just go ahead and click visit the website. You're gonna be able to see the video. So that's another comment if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.